Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the ice bucket in an LG refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new ice bucket assembly. This ice bucket assembly is located on the inside of the freezer door. It's used for storing and dispensing ice cubes and making crushed ice. The main reason to replace the ice bucket is if it's broken and won't dispense ice. To get to the part, we need to open the freezer door. In order to remove the ice bucket, we're going to place our fingers on both sides into the slots, grab it, lift it up slightly, and pull it out. This is the old ice bucket assembly next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. All right, before installing these nice and shiny ice bucket assembly, we're going to turn it around and make sure that this coupler will fit into this yoke here. So we need to adjust this like that, something like that, so more or less. And I'm going to turn it around and place it in, push it in, and put it down. And now when we're done, we can close the door. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.